If it gets too dark, oh, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your...
The 365 Days Focus Art Challenge. Artists are invited to still join this challenge even though it's February. You decide something in your artwork you want to focus on for the whole year, and you focus on it every day. For example, I am only painting female faces. The idea behind this is that by focusing on a limited scope, you can deepen your creativity and develop skills.
If it gets too dark, oh, I'll be your light.
Please contact me to join or ask questions in the comments below, or contact me on Instagram Messenger with the name Artfully Yours with Diana.
If it gets too dark,